This is a 2005 Cadillac DeVille. This four-door sedan has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 4.6-liter V8. Features include aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, traction control, an anti-lock braking system, dual power seats, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. This Cadillac has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Oxmoor Toyota is conveniently located at 8003 Shelbyville Road. Visit our website and view our entire inventory online at www.oxmoortoyota.com.